What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video on the U.S. Weather Channel. My name is Chris Haynes. I am the main person with U.S. Weather. We are trying to hire some people currently. Not some people, one person. But yeah, I'm the main dude for right now. So yeah, there is um, sorry, it's July 15th, 2025, and we've got a lot to look at today as there is some severe weather coming to the United States over the next couple of days. The chance of me going live later on today is pretty high up there. It's probably around a 75% chance that I will go live today. It depends because I do have a football practice starting around 6 Central Standard Time, um, or Central Daylight Time, whatever you want to say. However you want to say that. But yeah, let me go ahead and switch over to the main scene here real quick. So if we go ahead and take a look at this, we have an enhanced risk in Nebraska, which could bring the potential for some heavy thunderstorms and heavy rain showers. And the slight risk over here, whoa, I'm terrible at drawing. Um, the slight risk over here could bring the potential for some possible um, heavy thunderstorms, heavy rain showers, nothing too crazy, but the same as this one over here near Wyoming. Both those slight risks are the exact same. They're just in different spots, which they both could bring the potential for some heavy thunderstorms, heavy rain showers, and moderate to heavy rain showers. Mainly heavy though. And then the moderate rain or the moderate, or, the marginal risk right here could bring a potential for some moderate thunderstorms, heavy rain showers, moderate mainly though, as well as the one in Arizona near Tucson. Then the light green everywhere else in the United States could bring a potential for some light thunderstorms, light light to moderate rain showers, nothing too crazy. And then if we take a look at our tornado outlook for today, there's a chance for up to EF2 tornadoes in this area that I circled. We could even see a chance for some tornadoes up in here that they have not issued a chance for, but I believe that we could see some tornadoes in that area as well. Um, some up to EF1 to EF2. There's a chance for up to 70 to 80 mile per hour winds, likely, which means we could see up to 90 mile per hour winds max. In this area that I have circled in black with a white outline. And then we could see up to 60 mile per hour winds in this yellow, as well as the yellow area in Wyoming. And we could see up to 30 to 40 mile per hour winds in the brown over here, as well as the one down there near Tucson, Arizona. But don't leave this video yet because we will be taking a look at the tropical chance for a tropical storm to impact the Gulf of America, or Gulf of Mexico. If we go ahead and take a look at this right here, there's a chance for up to tennis ball sized hail, tennis ball or baseball sized hail in this area, in the yellow area, and then the brown area we could see up to 30 to 40, or not 30 to 40. I was thinking of winds. We could see up to golf ball sized hail. If we take a look at our categorical outlook for tomorrow, that means that severe weather, basically, just our weather outlook. There's a slight risk level 3 out of 5, or level 2 out of 5. Sorry about that. Which could bring a potential for some heavy thunderstorms, heavy to moderate rain showers, um, moderate at times mainly, but it could get up to heavy. And then this marginal risk around that, which is level 1 out of 5, which could bring a potential for some moderate thunderstorms, heavy rain showers. Then the light green everywhere else in the United States could bring a potential for some light thunderstorms and moderate to heavy rain showers, but mainly light rain showers. We take a look at our tornado outlook for tomorrow. There's a chance for some EF1 to EF2 tornadoes in northern parts of Illinois, even into southern parts of Wisconsin, and very, very east central parts of Iowa. This could, like I said, bring a potential for EF1 to EF2 tornadoes. And there is a chance for up to 60 mile per hour winds in this area, in the yellow area, and then 30 to 40 mile per hour winds in the brown area. we could see up to golf ball sized hail near Colorado, Nebraska, Wyoming, and even into northwestern parts of Kansas into tomorrow around midday time. Um, and then if we go ahead and take a look at our chance for severe weather on 3 days from now, which I believe today's Tuesday. So this will be on probably Thursday or Friday. There's a chance for some light to moderate thunderstorms, as well as some moderate rain showers in this area that I have circled. But yeah, that's basically all we're going to be looking at today. If we take a look at satellite, though, I want to go ahead and show y'all about this tropical storm that we could see forming over the next couple of days or so. It's got a chance. It's got a 40% chance to develop a tropical storm over the next 2 and 7 days, which is when we could see some storms. Nothing too crazy though. As you can see, if I go ahead and do the faster time lapse, what they're showing, you can sort of see it like firing up, and then you can see the low pressure system over here. We've got a low pressure system over here, which is causing it to rain a lot in Florida, especially around Daytona or something like that. Yeah, Daytona Beach. And you can kind of see that low pressure system rotating. If you know what low pressure system is, a low pressure system is basically what causes rain showers and thunderstorms. But you can kind of see it rotating. If we take a look at our most recent scans, as you can see that rotating right there, mainly in this area over here. But this could, as it comes into this area over here, could bring a potential for some, as it comes into this area over here, could bring a potential for some, a tropical storm to form. I could not think of that word. I'm trying to get better at drawing arrows, so give me just a second here. As this low pressure system right here comes into this area over here, it could bring a potential for some heavy thunderstorms and moderate to heavy rain showers, which could bring a potential for a tropical storm to impact around New Orleans and Louisiana, or even into like Mobile, Alabama. I believe it's Alabama. Yeah, Mobile, Alabama. So yeah, y'all just need to be aware of this and that it could potentially form a tropical storm. I will be keeping an eye on it though, and I can't take a look at my ocean heat content right now, but the last time I looked, it was around 30 to 40 degrees Celsius over there, so it's very warm, I believe. Hold on, let me go ahead and check that just to make sure. 30, we'll just go 35 because it was in between. 35 degrees Celsius Fahrenheit. Yeah. Okay, so it's 95 degrees Fahrenheit. That is very hot ocean weather. Not hot ocean weather. It's very hot waters in the ocean. So if you are in that, make sure you be aware of that because that is not 95 degrees Fahrenheit, 35 degrees Celsius, which is very hot, especially for the ocean around this time of the year. Because it's usually something that's cold and refreshing to you, but this time it will not be cold and refreshing to you, and it is some hot weather. Some hot storms, not storms, but some hot. Golly, I just had a brain fart. Some hot ocean water. That's what the word was. My bad. I'm getting a call from potential spam. So yeah, that's basically all I'm going to be talking about for today. Make sure to leave a like on this video, and there's a chance that I will be going live today, but overall the chance of me going live today is 75 to 80%. That I will be going live today, but I will have football practice later on in the evening, and so yeah, but I will most likely try to do a morning weather briefing in the morning, and I will do an afternoon weather briefing later on in the day, potentially in case I'm live. Let me go ahead and check all the warnings that we have across the United States right now. My bad. I was watching YouTube Shorts before this. Yeah, like I said, there's only. I didn't say this, but whoa. There is only 5 warnings in the United States right now. So overall, the chance of me going live over the next few minutes or so is very not high, but it's very low. The chance of me going live later on in the evening, which, hold up, I actually forgot to show y'all something. This was about the timing of this. As you can see, the storms really start to fire up around 9 UTC. I'm CST. So they are 5 hours ahead of me. So this will probably be around 4 o'clock for me or so, which is in about 6 hours or so. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and edit this video and post it, as I will be going swimming in a minute. But yeah, that's all I'm going to be talking about for this video. And as always, stay safe.